Islam from Embroidery shop in Sabah. Today I have more workshop with my customer. We will start the workshop now, and I will cut each person one piece of fabric and get one needle like this. So I will let them pick their own color and their own pattern, and I show them how to make it. So I cut the fabric already. We're gonna start to make their own embroidery, and everyone that have own pattern already, we will start to make. See how it's going today. The lunchtime is coming. I would start work for cook for lunch, and after lunch we will start again. Today we have green chili, fried with chicken, we have with the potato, we have with bamboo shoot. The lunch is ready, so we will have lunch. Everyone is coming for lunch. We have good time together. We share a lot of ideas together and start the embroidery again. Here is the pattern we make today. Look how it's going with the products. The products will come in very soon. Here is the product. We made earring, we sewn the clothes, we sewn the pen, we made a bracelet. We finished the workshop, so everyone is go back to the hotel. So we get a taxi come to pick them, go back to the hotel. We have to say goodbye. The night time is coming. See you later.